College Vibro Session Part Kajing Tip Nam ta Kitu Khna Kibala Pass Class 12 Kwa Banlek Puli Nursing Hang ni Hapok Ajala Kajungi Lingba Kineki Government Institution and Neki Hospital Sarkar Kiba Ajing Kai Nam ta Gine Te ka Napok ka Department of Health Government of Meghalaya Kila Court Application Nam ta ka course ANM Kabadai tang ANM Bad Nam ta ka GNM Kabadai License Te sngap hai gini kitu kwa ban tap marba phya ban tap online ma phya ban tap online kan amdon kam exam kin chu screen ni phi lingba ka marks ka jong phi ka percentage kan phio te ki ba he tam kita ken yo mot ki barit kin yo show kin shim bet percentage wise kat no phio ka tai phin yo tang ba kan sim la ka jong ma ki arts la ka jong ki science la ka jong te nagam ta ka ANM kan ka bade arts nem ka ki sim tang nam tai ki kan thei ma online application is prescribed in prescribed formats for 2 years course in auxiliary nursing and midwifery ANM. Training session 2024-25 are hereby invited up to 23rd June. Hadu apply tarik jong manai June. Ka last date kade apply tarik June kan mau ha. Te marbade online, phaban tap online, submit online ki baro da phikwa ban apply nam ta kane. Last date kade apply tarik June. Ar jarap sau hadu lai baje janmet. Tenam ta detail ke baro phaban le bihapo ka official website machealth.gov.in kan mau bhai kata ka official website www.machealth.gov.in sapandap hang tu hi submit hang tu hi then pin leira ig documents tang ka post screening tel eligibility kalong ba phaban dep ye class 12 10 plus 2 la bide arts and science ru bio tamagane bide ANM tang nam tai kan thema female candidate who are indigenous inhabitant of permanent resident of the state tang ig kan thema age kalong khat news name hadu license name hila ban apply cooperation day license the minimum education kade 10 plus 2 te kitu kiba or recognize equivalent examination applicant shall be medically fit te hangne bade ki ong ba kin chu screen te katkum kane ki ong do ba kin sapet katkum ka number of post ka no tali ki don ki post nam ta kane te kin sa screen kum ta kin screen amdai ba baro kin khot baro te kin skin kat ko mayuk te kita rek lok lada bo ba candidate required to appear before a screening committee which will be held on the 18-19 July khat phra bar khnai July te ka tarik lada bo ba khat phra khnai tarik July te ya ka list ki balong eligible bade kin sapen mi hapo ka nek official website hai machealth.gov.in te kitu ikatang ki ba mi phaban le ka tu kasni khat phra ba khat khandai lada bo phra baje hadu saw baje te ke jaka ka long po female health worker training school Ganesh Das Government MCH Hospital, Shillong and Civil Hospital, Tura, Laitali, Hatura Kawai, Shillong Artali. The applicant will also be medically examined at the same time. Kinsa examine, medical examine ru hagajukpor. The eligible list of eligible candidate will be screened. The eligible candidate ngalong ba kinsa IB hapo notice board lane hapo kane official website machealth.gov.in. Ane hakini ki hospital ke badap ai ke porban screen kilaban penda ai hang tuhi ine ka district medical health officer Shillong ane hapo Ganesh Das MCH hospital Shillong data terbaru kini ki ba screen ta hakatu kasngi bede phabra baro ki original document ki jong phi namta kane ki baka pan apply phaban baro ki ba phi yu phabra baro ki documents jong phi hakatu kasngi te ban to minimize the delay and hardship of the candidate screening will be arranged in order of merit te kan mau kin sim bai de ki ba he shapo te ki baduna plat kinom yo shu la kan mau te kum kan number kan ngut ki ba apply te han ong ba an aggregate percentage of marks obtained at a qualifying examination which will be approximately 2-3 times the number of seat kalong mang tang arsha len laisha e kan number of seat ada kala tambun ya katam kala tam se ka sausha akmut ba kinom sim shu kitu ki ba den ma sha kan taj te pinsaptib ya kata anda lapan mi list kibun ne kidunam ne ki apply akata hi kasni te sakan mau kat phra ber khandai ka dei ka screening but you can notice baro gen sapen mi apo official website nam ta ki eligible candidate te phiaban kan mau ya kata the list of screening to minimize okay adapt then the list of candidate eligible selected candidate tamlan kam ta tangga tahi dan sapen mi apo official website ki keteng ki jong phi sakan mau kan check te hakabai dei bat ka fees nek e baro kini claim IAA tang ba la tip hi ba ki government te khamduna hi phaban siu dei ba free tang ba phaban siu hi tang ba khamduna ban compare bat ki private institution te namta ki ba kwa ban puli pada ya ka GNM kan dei license name bat senrang bat kan thei ma ki pedang bro arngut chenrap kan ther pedang hi te kane bede kaju hi kane ru kade license name GNM 3 years course in general nursing and midwifery GNM training session 24-25 te kane ru last date ke 23 June hi kumju hi kane ru ka bro ke detail kan permit via ka official website makehealth.gov.in kan mau ba te ka age kan long kumju hi kan de khat news name hadu life science name tangba ya kibala dep ya ka ANM pada omdon kam age murba lari kita pun nak name ru kila ban apply te kibalik na ka NOS ne SOS ru kila ban apply tangba ki kam prefer pada ki science however science is preferable 10+2 with English having 40% marks in vocational stream healthcare from recognized kibalik ya ka vocational stream ru kila ban apply tangba haban cross pada having 40% of marks tenam ta kini gweru ham ta ka aggregate ke deven cross by ya ka 40% aggregate marks kila ban apply kan bawa 40% sejrong te lada pikwa ban apply pila cross 40% pila ban apply te kane ro kin shimit merit list amron exam ere ka ju hi ka process bakile mudba kin permit dia ka list kan don make screening date te kila bu ya ka screening date ru screening committee which we held on the 15 and 16 July kane ga dikhasan bakhan tutur July kan de ka screening te yaki list pada insapan mi haswa ya kata lembaga official website but kini ki jaka screening at School of Nursing Civil Hospital hangne kin serta kita kan notice Shillong and Civil Hospital Tura the applicant will also be medically examined at the same time te kin serta kini ki jaka ru but hapo official website ru kin saai te kan list te kan ai hapo official website but hapo ka Director of Health Service MI Shillong Office of District Medical Health Officer Tura ini artali ingin sapen me ega list notice board list of selected candidate berhapo official website te phila ban pe official website ru ba phila ban kan mau pendap online be ya kan ru te phila pendap online te kelas date kan apply 3 Jun te kan ne kalong kan tip ya tu ki bakwa ban late puli nursing tangba in shimbed merit based mo aggregate of marks ki ba kham yo he kin yo shua te ki baduna lada kumta mudba janjar kin shimbed ka percentage wise umdon exam umdon a tanggi bayo he kin poi te kat kum ka number of seat kan no ka seat ka don ka tahi kin yo te manus nem kin sapen mi hi ya ka list te ngathrai tanggi ni kin petip pila shai kan mau ban lei biha official website makehealth.gov.in sapandap online sapandap gi detail baro ngathrai pila nang hi e jinon kam ke wa panang tu tahi biha ban pendap bat apa pada ya ka tarik ba ke pen mi ya ka eligible list te tanggi ni kin petip publish bun